Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw G1 Bumblebee. So, I believe you already seen me draw Bumblebee once before, but, you haven't seen me draw the classic one, am I right? But, anyways, Bumblebee, he's, one of the main characters in the Transformers franchise, and, I'm gonna be drawing him today. Anyways, let's draw him, shall we? So, when drawing his face, you must draw the, his body, you must draw his square face here. Hold on a sec. There we go.
I just tell myself to never give up hope. There's a fire in my heart that will pull me through.
There we go.
Wherever I can't go. I will face the demons in my life.
Note to self, you guys, the Bumblebee that we used to know did not have horns. The one that's been upgraded. There we go. Okay. There we go here. There's his body. Okay. There we go. There we go. And I think we're almost done, you guys. Be sure... Now, when it's drawing the legs, you must go down here. There we go. That's how you draw Transformers Generation 1 Bumblebee. And it's not the one we saw in the other Transformers movie. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. See you soon.